Blackberry picking by Seamus Heaney, but I added goofy sound effects. Late August, given heavy rain and sun. For a full week the blackberries were ripening. At first just one, a glossy purple clot, among others red, green, hard as a nut. You ate that first one, and its flesh was sweet like thickened wine. Summer's blood was in it, leaving stains upon the tongue, and lust for picking. Then the red ones inked up, and that hunger. Sent us out with milk cans, tea tins, jam pots, where briars scratched on wet glass. Wet grass bleached our boots. Round the hayfield, cornfields, and potato fields, we trekked and picked. The cans were full until the tinkling bottom had been covered, with green ones on top. Big dark blobs burned like a plate of eyes. Our hands were peppered with thorn pricks, our palms as sticky as baby. We hoarded the fresh berries into the byre, but when the bath was filled, we found a rat grey fungus glutting on our calf.
Hey guys, got nothing here.
The juice was stinky too. Once off the bush, the fermented one. The fruit fermented.
What intonations?
The sweet frosted tongue that always felt like cream. It wasn't fur, but all a lovely colourful set of rock. Each red hood
What intonations?
We hooey 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 hooey